Door open. Doors, yeah. See? Oh, finally. See, IMAX. So check this elevator. Surrounded by poster. One movie but 3 posters. Hail Mary. Oh my gosh, my ever-loving crush. Ryan Gosling, I love you. He's very good in a movie with... What's this? The girl with in Spider-Man. Yeah. It's you. Oh my gosh! Here I am. Scream 7. He's Scream 7. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my god! There you are. He's Scream 7. Oh my gosh. IMAX finally. Oh my gosh. See this one, guys. Oh my gosh. Here I am. I love you. How are you? Just a best. This one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So finally I'm gonna watch this one for tonight. Join me now, guys and girls. So later on I'm gonna tell you who's my suspects for this one. The possible killer or killers, okay? So let's go to the ticket booth. Hi! What time is this Scream 7? 9:20? 9:45. So what time is it? Anong oras na?
9:26.
9:26, so we can still catch it up. Okay, please. Oh my gosh, it's 850. Sorry, 850. They increase of 100 pesos. The last time I went here is 750, right? Diba? Nagtaas na naman kayo. Is it only for this movie lang? O... I see. Madam, baka pwede naman, can I ask for a discount, please? Sige na naman, please. Ang regular customer ako ever since.
Ano po? PWD tsaka...
Huwag naman, hindi pa naman ako hindi ako, sorry favor lang to. Isa man, baka pwedeng i-ano mo ko sa... Kasi I know na may discount naman kayo. Baka pwedeng i-avail mo naman. Kasi binangonan pa ako. Sige na please, so ngayon lang naman, parang regalo mo na sa akin. Sige na please. Guys, she doesn't want to give me discount. What am I gonna do? Ano, sige na. One last pakiusap.
PWD lang po.
Okay. Grabe, hindi man ako even though she has an employee discount. Anyway. How about SM card? SM Advantage. So, even the SM Advantage card, they don't give points anymore. They are so unfair. Anyway, sige. Ayun. So, let me check the schedule, please. So,
For IMAX.
Oo.
Last motion ko na yung
oh my god. So, I'm the only... We're 2 only? Okay, so it's some kind of a block screening. I'm gonna like it because I'm kinda... Oh, it's okay. So, anywhere na lang dyan, di ba? Okay, call. So, bye for now, guys and girls. Oo. So, what's the free of...
Chips and water.
Oh, there's 3 chips and water. So here it is. Actually, I supposed to watch in Gateway Atmos, but they close early because the last show is 8:30. That's why. So I'm proceeding here, and since that I know the IMAX is more quality and sounds better than the IMAX sounds better than what's that? Atmos. So bye for now, guys and gals.